Hey guys, so I'm gonna do this hair review, and I got this hair sent to me from Nadula's hair company, and I'm not sure, I think I didn't order this one. I think I told him I want the body wave and they sent me this, so I'm not sure of the details for this wig. It says Brazilian curly, but anyway, I love the color of this though. I'm not mad. It's not showing the true color on camera. It looks a little bit more warm, but in person it's a little bit more neutral, so it's a little bit cooler, which I love cool tone blondes on me. So it's nice, and the roots are dark. My hair is dark, so let's see how this is gonna look. And it's a V-part wig, and I'm gonna wear it like a U-part wig because I don't like how the V-part wig look without any leave out. So I'm gonna do it with the leave out. I think I'm gonna do a side part, and it has adjustable straps like I shown in the previous clips, and 2 combs, and then this is like 4 of the clips that normally would go on like clippings and stuff. So yeah, I already co-wash it. As usual, I always say I co-wash my wigs and hair before I install them. So I already co-wash it, and I think I'm gonna try to do a side part. Let's see how it comes out. I already did my makeup and too, so yeah. Okay, so this is what the braiding looks like. It's not perfect, but can get the job done. Let's see how this is gonna look when I put it on. Okay, so I'm gonna add some water or something to this because kind of layer the front a little bit. Okay, that looks better. I'm gonna cut some of the ends as well. Yeah, looks a little bit better. I'm gonna add some curly custard. So we have some water. I'm just putting some water with a little bit of the curling custard, and I'm blending my hair with the wig. I'm gonna use my wet brush to just brush my hair to blend into the wig. Like you can't see where my hair starts or stops. I'm gonna do my edges using the same curl custard. I'm gonna do my edges. I can't find my spray bottle, so I'm just putting some water on my hands and just raking it through. Oh, this is beautiful. I love this. This looks so cute. Do my lips. Ooh, my lips look juicy. So this is a finished look, guys. I am loving this. Oh, and my lips look so nice. Oh, this is nice. I'm loving this. Actually happy lesson with this wig instead of the body wave. I'm actually happy. I like this because I always wonder how I would look with curly hair that is blonde, and I'm really loving it right now. It looks so nice. But yeah, this is what the back looks like. So guys, if you like this video, everything is going to be in the description bar, so check out the description bar for details of this hair. And thanks for Nadula Hair Company for sponsoring this video. I really love this hair and it feels so good. Like when I co-wash it, it barely sheds, and I love the thickness. I just love it. I really love it. At first I was like but now I'm like yeah girl, I really like it. So check out everything in the description bar, and take care guys, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.